Hi, welcome to Scotty Wandering. My name is Peter, and today is Winter Edition Camping at Willow River State Park, and the campground tour is going to be really short on this one. I'm going to show you in some separate videos complete tours of the campgrounds here. I have been here before. I did the whole park in one video. It's a bit much, and I didn't give the details on those campgrounds, but since it's winter, I can show you the details on at least the 100s and 200s, and those will be in separate videos, so look for those. But this is the star attraction. Now, having been to almost every waterfall in Wisconsin, this isn't the tallest, but it is the most impressive one in the entire state. And you can enjoy it in the summer. You can get in, get yourself your feet wet, and really enjoy this beautiful waterfall. But let's go take a look at that campground. All right, jumping ahead to the next morning, and the temperature has definitely changed, because yesterday it was an amazing almost 70 degrees here, or certainly more in the south, maybe upper 60s up here. And this morning it's 41 degrees at sunrise. And there are 3 campgrounds at Willow River. There's a 100 loop, 200 loop, and 300 loop. We are only in the 200 loop and camping. So I'm at the 200 campground. Now let me show you how many sites there are. So for camping, we have 201 right here. Now this is, for this campground, a very small site. Then there's 202 over here, which when we left yesterday was unoccupied and available, filled up. And then our site over here, and eagle-eyed viewers will notice that is not our regular vehicle, and this is site 230, and this one is a huge site, much more than we actually needed. And pit toilets over there, regular flush toilets that are closed for the season, are right there. So this is still fairly convenient to the restrooms for winter camping when you're still winterized. And this is the first time that's actually been an issue for me, because like I said, this is a brand new vehicle for us. We'll get to details on that in another video sometime, as well as probably going through the old vehicle, just so you know what I was living with before that I enjoyed so much. But that's the campground tour for winter camping at Willow River State Park. 3 sites, that's all you get. Okay, next day update. I got a little more information at the park office. Site 203, non-reservable online, but if you come in and it is available and you have a small enough rig, they will let you reserve that one. Any of the other campsites within the loop, you can also reserve as a walk-in basis, not drive-in, park at the bathrooms and walk into the sites. So 203 is limited because it is listed as a very long site. It can hold a big rig, but not in the winter, because you got to make a very tight corner. So that's just a little more information that I didn't know when I started this video, so plugging this in now. So not a lot of options up here, although I kept checking up here and they were always open. So they don't get a lot of love. However, I kept checking and only found 2. So somebody's been occupying that first one quite a bit. Now these are not cheap sites. They might do a different rate if you say you're not going to use electric and you book it here, but the site was $40 a night. That's not cheap, especially for minimal services. Now if you're not familiar with where Willow River State Park is, well, I am very close to Minnesota, very close to Minneapolis. And I think that's a big part of the audience for this park. We are in Wisconsin, but we're in Hudson, Wisconsin, right across the river from Stillwater. which puts you very close to the Twin Cities and all of those campers coming in. So it's a very popular park, but on a normal weekend in the summer during the season, you will see a lot of Minnesota plates here rather than Wisconsin plates. So a lot of the rest of the state doesn't know this exists, but I'm telling you, that's the best waterfall. I mean, Amicon Falls is great to go explore and look at the falls, but there is no swimming there. There is no getting into the water. Here, you can get in and enjoy it and experience it like no other place in the state. And pretty much not a lot of waterfalls allow you to get in like that. Thanks for coming along. See you in the next one. Get on out there.